Hello automotive fans! Trends Tech is here to inspire you with the latest and greatest car accessories. Join us on a journey through Amazon's vast selection, where we'll provide you with valuable insights and recommendations to elevate your driving experience. The fuse splitter is engineered to add an extra device connection without the need to cut or modify your car's wiring. Designed to fit seamlessly into any unused slot in a standard DIN fuse box, it supports fuses rated up to 20 to 30 amps. Constructed from high-grade, heat-resistant plastic with built-in insulation, it features a secure snap-in mechanism. Simply remove an existing fuse, insert the original along with the new fuse into the adapter, and gain an additional power feed, ideal for powering accessories like a cigarette lighter without compromising safety. Perfect for those chilly mornings when your battery's performance is tested. These quick-release battery terminals offer a fast and efficient solution for battery maintenance. Color-coded for easy identification, red for positive and blue or black for negative. They boast a reinforced metal design that minimizes resistance and withstands vibrations. The terminals feature an ergonomic locking cover mechanism that unclamps with a simple lift, ensuring a firm yet easily detachable connection. Their high current rating makes them reliable even under demanding conditions, saving time and reducing stress during winter battery changes. Heat shrink tubing is essential for ensuring secure insulation of live wires and maintaining a tidy, reliable electrical system. Available in various shrink ratios such as 2:1, 3:1, and even 4:1. This tubing is manufactured from durable polyolefin and can withstand temperatures up to 125 degrees Celsius. Many variants include an adhesive lining for enhanced sealing against moisture and contaminants. In addition to providing excellent electrical insulation, the wide range of available colors makes it a practical tool for color coding and organizing different circuits in your vehicle. Upgrade your night driving with these high-performance round LED headlights that outshine traditional halogen and xenon options. These headlights feature state-of-the-art LED chips capable of delivering up to 5,000 lumens of brightness while consuming minimal power. Designed with a standard 178mm optical element, they are compatible with most SUVs, trucks, and standard cars. With an impressive lifespan of approximately 30,000 hours and robust build quality to handle harsh conditions, these lights provide superior daytime running light functionality and reliable turn signaling, ensuring you stay visible and safe on the road. A crucial tool for any mechanic, the impact screwdriver is specifically designed to tackle rusted bolts and stubborn screws that ordinary screwdrivers can't manage. Its reinforced metal body delivers high impact torque up to 150 Newton meters, making it ideal for heavy-duty automotive repairs. The set includes 13 interchangeable hardened steel bits, providing versatility for various applications. With an ergonomic design for comfortable handling and a robust build to withstand repeated use, this tool helps prevent damage to both the fastener and the tool itself. This innovative spray nozzle transforms your approach to automotive painting by ensuring an even professional quality finish every time. Compatible with standard aerosol paint cans, it attaches securely and features a comfortable anti-slip trigger and handle for precise control. The nozzle's design guarantees a consistent spray pattern that evenly distributes primer, paint, or varnish. Its durable, lightweight construction makes it easy to switch colors quickly, making it an ideal tool for both detailed touch-ups and larger painting projects. Keep your vehicle's interior neat and efficient with this versatile trunk organizer. Made from water-resistant artificial leather, it offers a durable, easy-to-clean solution for storing essential accessories. Available in two sizes, small with 4 inches and medium with 22 inches. It features multiple compartments and pockets for items like motor oil, antifreeze, cleaning cloths, and even a fire extinguisher. Its foldable design and variety of attractive color options ensure it not only organizes your trunk effectively, but also complements your car's aesthetic. For a quick and stylish update, these exhaust tips deliver an instant rest styling effect, available in both matte black and polished chrome finishes. They are crafted from stainless steel or high-quality aluminum alloy to resist high temperatures and corrosion. Designed to fit a wide range of vehicle models, the exhaust tips come in various sizes and are engineered for a straightforward bolt-on installation. Their sleek design not only enhances the sporty appearance of your car, but also offers improved durability for long-term performance. Combat the issues of oil vapor recirculation with this efficient oil catch can. Designed to intercept and trap excess oil and contaminants before they enter the engine's intake system. It plays a crucial role in maintaining engine performance and cleanliness. With a capacity of 300 milliliters, it's built from durable, heat-resistant materials and is available in multiple colors to match your vehicle's interior. An integrated adapter simplifies installation into the high-speed breather hose, reducing deposits on the throttle body and keeping your engine running smoother for longer. Restore your headlights to like-new clarity with this comprehensive headlight restoration kit. Over time, road grime, UV exposure, and oxidation can cause headlights to yellow and fog up, reducing visibility. This kit includes 118 milliliters each of abrasive cleaning compound and protective sealant, along with 2 polishing wheels designed to gently remove the oxidized layer. The step-by-step process is easy enough for any car owner to follow, effectively rejuvenating headlight lenses and providing up to 1 year of protection against further degradation, saving you the high cost of professional restoration. Each of these accessories is designed with precision and quality in mind, ensuring they not only enhance your driving experience, but also offer long-lasting performance and reliability. Enjoy the benefits of upgraded functionality, style, and safety with these must-have car accessories. The white tire marker is perfect for enhancing the appearance of car tires and other rubber surfaces. Its durable, flexible, and premium quality ink dries quickly, resists spreading, and emits little to no odor. Designed for long-lasting performance, this marker lets you personalize your vehicle, making it more eye-catching and unique. Compatible with all types of tires. If you drive on a road recently under construction and notice bitumen stains on your car's body, this aerosol tar cleaner is the perfect solution. It effectively removes dirt and tar without damaging the paintwork. The formula is completely safe for car enamel and will not affect the paint in any way. If your car mats keep shifting around as if they have a mind of their own, it's time to put an end to it. Special clips are designed to secure the mats firmly to the floor, preventing unwanted movement. This set includes 4 clips, though only 2 are typically needed per mat, leaving you with extras as a backup. The clips have an outer diameter of 41 millimeters and an inner diameter of 11 millimeters. While many vehicles come equipped with these clips from the factory, if yours doesn't, why not get them for added stability? That's a wrap on today's tool showcase. Subscribe for more reviews like this video and let us know your favorite tool in the comments below.